So these are the proteins that I used for the Ogbono soup. Feel free to adjust to what suits you, but on this very day, these are the proteins that I used. And my Ogbono, I washed and blended it. If you want to know how I washed them, watch my previous video before now. I showed how to thoroughly wash your Ogbono before cooking it. So I blended my Ogbono wet because I washed it first, took away all the dirt, then I blended it wet, and I still got a very good result. Because what we should focus on now is our health. Let's focus on the main thing, not this is the way my grandmother cooked it, this is the way my grandfather cooked it, da 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 da. And then we'll be swallowing lots of junk into our system. You need to watch that video, how I washed my Ogbono. I think I captioned it, "Don't eat Ogbono until you watch this video." So I advise you to watch that video. After watching it, you will never view Ogbono the same way you view it. The dirt that came out, in fact, I started feeling somehow, in the past when we don't wash our Ogbono, we just blend it dry because that is the way our grandmother did it. Anyway, I will let you continue watching the rest of the video. Thanks for your engagement. Bye.